Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to get a free Revolut Junior debit card for your child. So first of all, you need to open up Revolut app on your device, and then from here, tap on this icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on this search icon at the top and then search for Junior in this box here. You should be able to see it as it pops up under the product section. Simply tap on it, and it'll take you to this screen. Over here, you need to tap on this Start button and a pop-up will come up. Simply close it, and then again tap on Start. It'll ask you to upgrade. Simply tap on Not Now. Once you're on this screen, you need to fill in all the details of your child. And once you're done with that, you'll receive a Revolut Junior debit card for your child. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.